Salvelinus confluentus. You are a curious fish. If I had to make one up, it'd be my wish. You live high in the mountains in the crystal clear waters. The mountain beavers are my buddy, the otter of confluence. Hey, hey, you're the fish for me. Well, they said you were the handsomest trout, then put a bounty on your head and tried to fish you out. They want you in the skillet, not swimming free. But now we knows the ecosystem. Rest up on your finny toes, a confluence. Hey, hey, you're the fish for me. Salvelinus confluentus. You are a curious fish. If I had to make one up, it'd be my wish, be my wish, be my wish, wish, wish. You live high in the mountains in crystal clear waters. The mountain beavers are my buddy, the otter of confluence. Hey, hey, you're the fish for me. Well, they said you'd switch to a naturalist. Well, that don't bother me much, so I won't make a fuss. But when the run is done, darling, swim home to me. And they say you got a thing for your eastern cousin. Yeah, they're kinda cute, but they're a dime a dozen. A confluence, hey, hey, please be true to me. Salvelinus confluentus. You are a curious fish. If I had to make one up, it'd be my wish. You live high in the mountains in the crystal clear waters. The mountain beavers and the harlequin's daughters are confluentus. Hey, hey, you're the fish for me. Now you're in the world of hurt, from habitat loss, poaching and dirt. But don't worry, darling, I'll stand by you. 'Cause as long as there's water falling from the sky, you'll be the finny apple of my eye. And confluentus, hey, hey, that's no bull. Salvelinus confluentus. You are a curious fish. If I had to make one up, you'd be my wish, be my wish, be my wish, wish, wish. You live high in the mountains in crystal clear waters. The mountain beavers and the